All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into these markets. So we've got the Bitcoin versus USDT pair. That's Bitcoin versus Tether, and we are on the daily time frame. All right, we got a blank chart here as of right now. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our setup. All right. Usually, I like to start with identifying supports and resistances. All right, so right here. Yeah, you can see we got some really close resistance and really close support. All right, I guess for now, I'll go here just to identify the support, right? And we're gonna get rid of this resistance and let's try to find some trend lines, see what's going on. All right, we got something like this. Yeah, guys, so we see a trend line pattern right here, triangle pattern right here with these trend lines. All right. So it looks like overall Bitcoin is moving in a upwards direction. Obviously, with all the economic factors that are going on right now, right? All right, we're going to check and see if there's any more trend lines before we measure out this price target. Something here. So we got somewhat of a wedge pattern, it looks like, as well. Yeah, we got somewhat of a wedge pattern going there. Change that to white line. All right, so here we go. So we got all this support down here. Okay, got this trend line pattern over here. And yeah, let's go ahead and measure it out. So from here to the bottom of the trend line. Trying to make it as straight as possible. All right, we're going to change that back to being purple, right? So I suppose if we get a breakout of this trend line, then that leaves us around a target of what? $133, right? That's the breakout target. Okay, but the real question is where we're gonna go in the immediate short term. So if we put up those Bollinger Bands for Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin could come down to this maybe $94,000 level, all right? But it's likely that Bitcoin will come up to the $103,000 level in the short term, according to our trend lines. All right, we pull up the Fibonacci retracement tool. And what do we see? Let's see. Take it all the way down to the bottom of the trend. All right, according to Fibonacci retracement, yeah, we're gonna hit about the $105,000 level. All right. Unless Bitcoin decides to just keep going up, all right? And I wouldn't be surprised, it could really do that at any moment. And guys, if you do your research, you know, there's not a lot of Bitcoin left, and they're predicting within about 9 months, a lot of Bitcoin would be gone off of exchanges, all right? So you're gonna need to know somebody. You're gonna have to be doing direct peer-to-peer transactions, maybe even or own miners to get some Bitcoin. So you wanna be buying in right now, all right? Right now we're at 98,000, so you know it's still cheap to be buying under 100,000, and honestly 100,000 is still cheap based on inflation or quantitative easing. The more money that they print, it means that Bitcoin doesn't have a ceiling, so it can just keep going up. And according to Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve, you know, they'll print as much as they need to, right? All right, so let's continue on with this. All right, so again, we're looking at a target of $103,000 to $109,000. All right, the question is, will it go there? Based on the MACD, it looks like Bitcoin, yeah, we could be going down or trading sideways even for a little bit more time. So it's a good time to be accumulating, all right, before the breakout. We want to see a breakout of this purple triangle pattern, all right? And right now we're at the bottom of it, so we got a lot of ways to go up before we see something huge happen, all right? Honestly, I don't know, guys. It just depends on the month of January, February, March, all right? If March tends to be a green month, you know, then yeah, it's likely that Bitcoin is going to keep going up. I mean, right now we're in a buy zone, so yeah, we're going to be going up. And with all the economic factors, we're going up. I'm not seeing any bearish signs. All right. So again, the target is in the immediate short term. If we're going to go bearish, maybe down to 94,000. But if you're going bullish, then I would say 103,000 to 109,000 will be our next movement going up. So you could put in a long trade. All right. Now let's go to Ethereum. It'll be the last one. When it comes to Ethereum, pull up the Bollinger Bands. All right, guys. Yeah, Ethereum's got a price target of 3,200 in the short term, all right, and we're in the next few days, right? Based on trend lines, Ethereum is doing whatever Ethereum wants to freaking do. Let's see though. Okay, I'm seeing a triangle pattern for Ethereum. Right. Go here. Let's see, guys. All right, so we got our triangle pattern, right? And that pattern, if you go from the bottom of the trend line, bottom of the trend line to the top, bullish target of $4,800 for Ethereum. All right, that's our target for Ethereum. Are we going to go up? Well, according to the MACD on the daily time frame, we've got a very beautiful bullish cross. This is why I bought into Ethereum. Went ahead and got me a coin. Right. So in the immediate short term, guys, Ethereum is very bullish. Altcoins are very bullish. That makes sense because Bitcoin dominance has kind of calmed down a little bit. If you watched our last video, we took a look at the Bitcoin dominance and it steamed off. When Bitcoin dominance goes down, it doesn't mean Bitcoin is going to drop. It just means that its dominance drops. So Bitcoin price will probably like either stay the same or go sideways. And that's what Bitcoin is doing if you look at this chart. Go back to Ethereum. When Bitcoin dominance goes down, altcoins tend to pump and Ethereum leads the market, which explains, Ethereum leads the altcoin season usually, or at least the altcoins. It's a great indicator to see what altcoins are going to do. All right, and as you guys can see, we got a bullish cross right here on the MACD. So we're in this trend line pattern. We're obviously going to go up to the top of this trend line pattern, right? And into the Bollinger Bands, we have a lot of ways up as well. It says we're going to go to the $3,200 level. After that breakout, we got a price target of $4,800 to $5,000. All right, want to be safe, we can use the Bollinger Bands just to be sure of the targets. All right. Oh, that is not the Bollinger Bands. Sorry about that, guys. Bottom of the trend, I suppose, right? All right, so I'm seeing a bullish target of up to 4,800, right? To 5,300, guys. For this cycle, we can see a bullish target for them to $10,000 to $13,000. I'd probably say 10 to 13. Yeah, according to the Fibonacci retracement. All right, so 10,000 in this cycle. Okay, so for Bitcoin, 103,000 in the coming days and weeks. All right. For the cycle, I'm gonna give it. I would say Bitcoin can go to 200,000, 180 to $200,000. Right. And even higher because nation states are looking at Bitcoin. Trump is signing executive orders. All right. And again, Ethereum to 10K. All right. So be buying into Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Those are very safe buyings. All right. And right now, guys, these are very cheap. 2,600 for a coin, Ethereum coin, and 96,000 for Bitcoin. That's still under 100,000. All right. This is our future we're talking about. So, gotta stay focused. Buy in. Make your moves. All right. Anyway, guys, next couple of videos, I'm working on, for the next big video I'm planning to do, it's not going to be on technical analysis, right? It'll be on Bitcoin mining. All right, so I'm going to update you guys on my Bitcoin mining farm and how I'm looking on profits. All right, so make sure you guys like, comment, and definitely subscribe. All right, this is Crypto Komet, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.